Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to solve the Mastermorphix or Pyramorphix. So this cube is just like 3 by 3. So in this we have to, in 3 by 3 we make plus, and in this we have to make cross. So let's shuffle it. Okay, so I've shuffled it. So I'm gonna be going with this red and green. So yeah, first part is merged. Yeah. So with the second part, we have to see that the trapezium piece here is just below the centerpiece, and the bigger part should face up. So by this we'll turn on the side which we want. So we have made one side of the cross. Similarly, here the lower part is facing up, so no problem. So from the side you can face here, and similarly with the another part. So yeah, the plus is cross is complete. So now we have to go with the corner pieces. So this is the red and green one, so this will go here. So on the blue part side, and this one will be with the yellow part side. So similarly this. So we have done the first layer in Mastermorphix. So now in this we have to first orient the center pieces here. So like 2 times up, left, here center one up, and we should see that the part is just on the cross side, so it matches here and here. And not to, if you don't want to mix the part, so you can take it back 2 times and go back here. So this corner piece will also not get shuffled. So yeah, similarly with the green side. So all the center pieces have been solved. So now to solve the yellow one, the bigger part should be facing on both sides. It is possible, but we have to apply formula according to it. So the bigger part is facing on the right side, according to it left one. So we'll take up, right, down, left, front, left and down. So we got the part here. Similarly with blue one. So okay, so the blue one is facing on the left side. So up, left, down, right, up, right and down. So the green piece has been solved here. And same with the blue one here. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so the second layer has been solved. Now it's time to solve the third layer. So the blue part is here, so it is matching the centerpiece. So just apply the formula RU, R prime U, R, U, 2, R. So the plus has been made, cross has been made, but the parts are not in correct position. So I go with different side. So now that plus orientation formula which we use in 3 by 3. So we got the cross ready, just like plus in 3 by 3. So now we'll put the corner pieces in correct path. So all sides have been solved, but this is at a place, which means either this or this part is incorrect. So these are the corner pieces which can be placed in any direction. So they don't have any fixed directions like this center pieces. So r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d, just repeat it 4 times. So you got solved here. So take this one time. Okay, so the Mastermorphix has been solved. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.